Bout number 8 moves us up to a catch weight of 146 pounds. First for the fighter standing to my left in the red corner. He's a boxer coming to us tonight with a record of 1 win and 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at an even 146 pounds. Trained by and representing LA Boxing, he comes to us tonight from Manhattan Beach, California. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome please, Justin Mark. And his opponent, standing to my right in the blue corner. He's a wrestler coming to us tonight with a record of 1 win and no losses. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall. He weighed in at an even 142 pounds. Trained by Eric Victor and representing Victor Submission Fighting Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome please, Aaron Wolf. Your referee in charge of this bout is Kelly Whitlock.
Wolf in the blue corner, Mark in the red. We are going to get after it in the featherweight class of 145-pound weight limit. Aaron Wolf came in a few pounds underweight this morning. Official weight 145. Justin Mark a few pounds over the weight limit. Aaron Wolf said, I will take the match anyway. We're here and we're ready to go. And here we go.
Justin Mark on the red corner. He's got the gray plaid trunks.
Big shot by Aaron Wolf, big right
Wolf
hand.
In the blue corner has the black trunks with white trim and white lettering.
Aaron Wolf's gonna need to keep that chin down.
Big left leg kick by Justin Mark.
Another good kick there by Mark. Wolf needs to just keep those hands up and be calm. Mark with a good jab. Mark with a big overhand. Wow! Outstanding job by Aaron Wolf. He needs a good job. Wolf is out. He needs to posture up big. Aaron Wolf's gonna need to posture up big. That was an incredible move by Justin Mark. I've never seen it. He started with a kick and then he just jumped. He literally left his feet and jumped to his opponent's back. Aaron Wolf needs to keep turning. He can even step over. Great defense by Aaron Wolf. If he steps over with his left leg, he'll be out of this. Uh-oh. Wow, Mark's got some ground skills. Aaron Wolf with some great defense. It's a tap. It's a tap. He's missing it. Wow, Justin Mark of LA Boxing. Very impressive with a submission.
Yeah, I'm speechless. That was absolutely incredible. I've never seen that before, and I've watched literally thousands of fights.
I've never seen a guy jump onto his opponent. Aaron Wolf is okay, but he was caught in a very tight submission. And this one will go to Justin Mark.
Being choked out. 1 minute, 24 seconds of the very first round.